What's up YouTube? It's me again, just with another video. In this exciting video, I'm gonna be showing you how did I do this guys. So yeah, this is gonna be really exciting guys. But this one is gonna be in a different clip. It's not like just like the same video. This is the one that I did with advanced lighting. So this one is from the AC-130 video that I already did. It's just a test animation. So yeah, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, just click new project if you have. Just don't save. So now I'm just gonna click new composition from video. This will something big. Let's click something big. Okay, my computer. And we got this composition here. And we're gonna go layer, new solid. So I'm gonna be naming this AC. Let's do that again. So this time I'm gonna name this Hercules plane. Okay, Hercules plane. So click on that. Make sure it's not even paused. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing if it's paused soon. Oh yes, that really does it. So now I'm just gonna click on the layer and effect, video copilot, and element. So now I'm just gonna click on scene setup. Wait, let me just try to adjust my camera a little bit. So now we got the scene guys. So now I'm just gonna be selecting that really same model that but in a really darker tone guys. Okay, click to check. Let's take a look at the body of the plane guys. Look, my tongue is painting. Now this is actually a darker variant guys. Or oh no. It since it's the day, so I'm gonna choose the day version. Is the day. Yes, so I'm gonna click on this body diffuse. I'm just gonna diffuse that a little bit. It should be good. So now we're gonna go to environment, and the environment I wanted is want this. This is for that one. Now look at that. That looks really good now. Guys. Now I'm gonna click OK. Insert. Oh yes, this is the model. And I'm gonna be like duplicating this. So go to Edit and duplicate the layer. Now go to Effect, Keying, Color Range. So I'm gonna be getting like a Pacific spot. Guys. Scrub like a Pacific spot. Guys. Let me just try to get this really Pacific spot. Guys. A lot of light. Let's find the really Pacific spot. Is a spot. Okay, and also this should let's see if I can correct this. Okay, that should look good now. As you can see, the model is behind the house. Yeah, this is gonna be like behind the house, guys. Now I'm gonna put the duration, guess where I want it to be was somewhere between this. So I wanted the frame that lasts only just a couple of seconds. So I'm just gonna create a split layer and just click on that. And so now what I'm gonna really do is to just make a group node. So go to group 1. Let's see. Group utilities and create group node and just create that node. Okay. So now I really had this group node. I can really adjust the node. Okay. So I wanted the node like that. And what this node is gonna really do to the model is that you can really rotate it without going back to Element 3D to just really rotate it. So now I'm just gonna click on Group Node, transform this, and this is a reference, and just scale whatever I wanted, is with the model I wanted. Then I'm just gonna just X. Let's do the position like this. A bit of a okay, that's supposed to look really good. And I'm gonna animate y-axis and z-axis and also position and scale this. And also the ending is, before I do that, guys, I'm simply just gonna animate the model, guys. So first the turbine, guys. First the click in the turbine, guys. So I'm just gonna do this, the roll to see if I want it. See, you can see. Okay, 100 and over here, I guess wanted see if it's gonna spin this. Let's see if this is gonna really spin. Perfect. So I'm gonna be previewing that in motion blur, I guess, to actually see if it is motion, to see how really fast is the objects. Okay guys, I already got that right intensity, guys, that I wanted, guys. So now I'm just gonna adjust the, let's see, I call this Hercules. So now I'm just gonna put it behind the object. As you can see, it's blending well. Let's see, I'm just gonna scale that. I'm just gonna scale that a little bit farther than that. No, not so far, not so far, guys. No, not so far from the screen. Okay, that, I think that's the maximum distance. I'm gonna put it at the really front face. And at the really end frame of the video, guys. I think a little bit upward is to get that effect. So it looks like this, guys. It's like this, remember, it's just like a really simplified version of it, guys. If you want to download like these like files like the Jet Strike and the Element 3D, there is like a free option of it. So if you want to buy like the Jet Strike pack and the Element 3D, go buy it for yourself, guys. So download these in the links in the description below, and it's free, guys. And the other one is actually a Google Drive, and the other one is actually I mean, media fire, I guess. So now I'm just gonna not sure what I'm gonna do. Oh yes, so I'm gonna import like the sound files, cause I named this file AC-130. So if you wanna like download these like sound files from this website, you can check the link in the description below. That website name is free, soundeffects.com. So you can name the file whatever you want. So I'm just gonna import that and drag that file in. Let's see. Let's try to preview that to see this. Now my PC is kind of really slow, guys. So I'm gonna add motion blur to all of the layers, guys. It's good. Wow, guys. Really perfect. So I'm just gonna save as let's see. Um, check video. Call it whatever you want, guys. So video. Oh yes, it's a video. I'm just save it in the desktop. So now I'm gonna be opening Premiere Pro because there is something wrong with Media Encoder. It is really broken. Okay guys, so I'm gonna click new project. I'll name this Jet Video. Video dot. I want a just the default. This is more tiring. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna click import that file. Whoa, oh. I know this video is kind of and see if it's gonna show up. I am not sure if the models. Wait a minute, this is not right. Okay, I'm gonna high bit rate. I'm gonna go here. This over 12 megabytes. Audio codec and package. This is just a really simple feature. Nothing else. Export. And there you have it, guys.